All right, finishing off our Math 7 examples for 2-1. That's Unit 2, Lesson number 1. So directions are the following examples. Oh no, example 3 got booped onto that last page there. That's kind of going to be a pain in the butt. Oh well, we'll deal with it. Are the following numbers rational or irrational? So remember, rational numbers are fractions. Irrationals, like we just learned, are those never-ending and non-repeating decimals. So here in this first one, I have 0.666 ... That ... means it's going on forever. And the fact that I don't see any digits other than the 6 tell me that the 6 is repeating. So because this is a repeating decimal, this is a rational number. I'm going to rewrite that fractions piece somewhere else. There we go. All right, example 2. 1.12345678910 ... So that is a never-ending decimal because it has the ... at the end. Is it repeating though, like our first example was? Are the digits repeating themselves over and over and over again? And the answer here is no. There is a little bit of a pattern that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, I could assume that it continues going on. But having a pattern isn't the same thing as it repeating. So repeating would be those same digits over and over and over again. The pattern is different though. So this is never-ending and non-repeating, which makes it irrational. Pretty ugly looking ours. Irrational. Don't confuse, pattern doesn't mean repeating. Pattern doesn't mean repeating. Now, if there was a pattern that repeated, like for example, if I had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ... that would be rational because it's repeating. It has a pattern, true, that 1, 2, 3, but the repeating part is the fact that the 1, 2, 3 is happening over and over and over again. And that last example, I'm just going to rewrite it up here so we're not looking at its second page. Example 3 said -78 divided by 5. Now, you might be immediately grabbing a calculator and looking at, what is -78 divided by 5, which, if you were wondering, is -15.6. However, keep in mind, this example wasn't asking me to simplify. It was just asking me if this was a rational or an irrational number. Remember, a rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction. Well, -78 over 5 is a fraction. So it's definitely rational because it's already a fraction. All right, use those two definitions of rational and irrational and use your calculator to kind of help you answer those questions for those practice problems.